Very well said, Sir Piolo. You know, I truly agree that it's part of the Filipino culture. Very family-oriented din tayo.
Yes, we are.
Kahit saan po, mas sulok ng mundo tayo mapunta. Very family pa rin.
At talaga naman nasa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo ang mga Pilipino. Alright, so talking about being homesick when you're far away from your family, Miss Sandra, you know, I think this is the heart and soul of Cherry Christmas. Could you tell us more about how Cherry Christmas would work, of course, for those Filipinos who probably get homesick or abroad and are away from their family?
Basically, the campaign is, we consider this a milestone of the Cherry Mobile because for so many years, you know, as what they've said, we've been doing a lot of CSR reach out programs, and this time around, we're putting more emphasis and more value to our OFW friends. So we're literally giving something really special to the families back home, and we're very excited to tell them more about it later on. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be exciting. Okay, you already talked about the CSR projects of that the company has. Probably, Ms. Michelle, you could give us a couple more idea of what other CSR projects, because I know a lot of people here don't know that you've been doing a lot. At the onset of Cherry Mobile 6 years ago, you've been doing a lot of projects already. How about you tell us a little bit more so that people could be oriented, and even beyond Christmas, and even beyond 2015, even before 2015, you've been doing a lot already.
Basically, for us, Christmas is special. It's the most happiest time of the year I think for all of us. So we, aside from giving Filipinos affordable handsets, we make sure that we do CSR programs to help other people.
So I guess what's important for the Filipinos abroad is when they see you, it's like you're bringing home to them. You're bringing the Philippines to them, and they have that feeling that whenever they see you and they ask you if it's okay for you to send gifts to their family or loved ones, or if they can give a shout out to them when you're on TV. So it makes them feel like they're home whenever they see you.
Your presence, di ba? Pag pupunta talaga si Piolo doon, nararamdaman nila buong Pilipinas na yung dala ni Papa P para sa kanila lahat.
Sana pumunta po kayo dito. Namiss ko na po kayo. Sobrang gusto ko na po kayo makita. Gusto ko na po kayo rin niyakap. Gusto ko po ulit na